Hey, welcome along to another adventure. So today I am in Ulwinton in Northumberland, parked at the Wedder car park, and we are going hunting for a waterfall. Davidsons linn, a little waterfall up here, which is fed from the Cheviot. So we're on the western side of the Cheviot hills over here. So yeah, we're gonna go and have a look for it. Today I am with the Adventures of Lilypad.
Hi!
If you haven't checked out her channel, you should. It's amazing, because I do all the editing. I will put the link in the description for her page, and you can check out the video she's going to be doing here today as well. It won't be as good as mine, but she's trying, bless her. So yeah, we'll catch you up along the path. Where we've parked in Wedder car park, I think it was. I'll put the name of it in the description. It's about a 3-mile walk up to this waterfall, and so far we're about half a mile in, not very far, but the terrain hasn't been too bad. It's just kind of tracks, so nice easy walk. Yeah, actually parked just off the River Coquet, and then as you approach Middle Hill, it's called, which is this one here just behind. Once you get over to that, there's a couple of burns that come around either side of it, and you follow the Usway burn, which is this down here. You follow that all the way up, and that's where you'll find the waterfall. It's actually a Usway burn where the waterfall's on, so you just got to follow it up to the high point up on the hill there until you bump into it. So the path comes round the eastern side of Hazley Law, and I tried to take a little bit of a shortcut and go on the western side of Hazley Law and then just jump paths and cross over. Now you don't do that, because it's peat bogs. Your feet are soaking, and I got bitten on the ankle by something. Don't know what it was, but it's hurting like hell. So don't go that way. Stay on the eastern side of Hazley Law, and you're on a path like this, rather than being on bog like that as it was up there. Has anybody been to this waterfall, or do you know of any other hidden waterfalls that you can recommend? If you do, please drop them in the comments, let me know so I can go and check them out. So as you come along that road, a couple of miles along that road, or a mile maybe, take a little right hand turn, and we're on this little track here, and this track takes you all the way in to Davidsons linn. So we have our first sight of Davidsons linn. Looks great. Let's get down there. You going for a swim now?
Hopefully, yes.
So we did want to go for a bit of a wild swim, but we got chased away by about 1 trillion midgys taking chunks out of it. So we had to jump out, quickly get ready and run back up the hill away from them. But there is Davidsons linn. Maybe come back in early spring or winter time when the water will be colder, but there won't be as many midgys. Right, just heading back to the van there now. So it turned out it was about 5 mile from the van to the waterfall, just over 5 mile maybe. But I will put the route in the description for you to follow if you do so choose. I would recommend it, like it's a good little route. So yeah, so that's it. I'm just gonna head back to the van now and hopefully catch the shops before they close. Don't forget to subscribe to the Adventures of Lilypad for some awesome content. So follow me on Instagram this year. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content and press the bell for notifications as well, because of course you want to be notified of this awesome content. And don't forget to like this if you have liked it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.